Hey viewers, today we are going to talk about who is Meghan Rain. His age, career, family, boyfriend, net worth, and everything his life. Meghan Rain is an actress and model from the United States. She was born on June 13, 1996, in Palm Springs, California. People know Meghan for her work in videos and web scenes, particularly in the adult film industry. She has a strong fan base who enjoy her performances. Now about Meghan Rain's amazing career. Meghan Rain began her career in the adult film industry when she was 18 years old. She released her first video in 2014, which quickly gained attention for her compelling performances. Meghan's talent and dedication helped her collaborate with many well-known studios and directors. Now about Meghan Rain's husband, boyfriend. Meghan Rain has kept most details of her relationships hidden. She has not shared much information about having a husband or a long-term boyfriend. Now about Meghan Rain's family background. Meghan Rain grew up in a loving family in Palm Springs, California. Her parents were very supportive and always encouraged her to follow her dreams. Meghan is not an only child. She has siblings with whom she enjoyed playing during her childhood. Now about Meghan Rain's net worth. Meghan Rain has built a successful career in the adult entertainment industry, leading to considerable financial gain. Experts estimate her net worth to be around $1 million, reflecting her achievements and the popularity she has garnered over the years.